If your knee pain has quietly stolen the activities you used to love, hiking, playing with grandkids, or even just going for a walk, I want you to hear this. Pain is not just a part of getting older, and you are not stuck with it. I'm Dr. Todd Sullivan from Nova Chiropractic and Acupuncture, and today we're talking about chronic knee pain, what's actually driving it, and the conservative, non-surgical strategies that are working right now for adults over 60. Here's the number one thing I hear in my office with patients over 60 that suffer from knee pain. They'll say, Dr. Sullivan, my knee is just bone on bone. There's nothing you can do. And I get it. Someone showed you an x-ray, pointed at the joint space, and told you it was a matter of time before you needed surgery. But here's what the research actually shows. Studies consistently find that x-ray findings and pain levels do not match up the way we think they should. People with severe arthritis on imaging report no pain, or people with mild findings on imaging report severe pain. So what does that tell us? That image is not the whole story. Pain is a load problem, a strength problem, and a movement problem. And those are problems we can actually do something about. Think of your knee as a shock absorber, and like any shock absorber, it only works as well as the system around it. The knee itself does not generate movement. It's the result of the movement happening above and below it. Your quads, the muscles on the front of your thigh, control how much load goes through your knee every time you step, stand, or squat. Your glutes, the muscles in your hip and backside, are supposed to share the load. When they are weak or shut down, the knee takes the stress alone. Your calf and your ankle control how your foot strikes the ground, and a stiff ankle will send stress right up to the knee. This is why knee pain is rarely just a knee problem. We have to look at the whole chain. So why does knee pain get worse as we get older, especially after 60? 3 things happen at the same time. The first thing is we lose muscle mass. Strength around the knee drops, so every step, every stair, every squat puts more stress on the knee joint. Number 2, we move less. Less movement means less circulation to the cartilage, less lubrication in the joint, and more stiffness. And the third reason is we develop compensations. We start favoring the painful side, which loads the other knee, the hip, and the lower back, and then the pain spreads. The solution is not rest. Rest actually accelerates all 3 of those problems. The solution is strategic progressive loading, rebuilding the strength and the movement the knee needs to do its job. Here are the 3 things that make the biggest difference for chronic knee pain in my patients over 60. Fix number 1, rebuild the right muscles. You do not need a gym. You need quad control, glute activation, and hamstring support. Start with straight leg raises, glute bridges, and sit to stands from a chair. These are the foundational exercises. The goal is not bulk, it's capacity. Your knee needs to be able to handle your life. Fix number 2, treat the problem areas above and below the knee joint. A stiff hip or a stiff ankle will put stress into the knee every time you take a step. Hip flexor mobility, ankle range of motion, and gentle quad and hamstring work, not aggressive stretching, but controlled mobility work. This is what actually changes the environment the knee is operating in. Fix number 3, manage your load, but do not stop moving. This is where most people make the mistake. They either push through everything and make it worse, or they rest completely and they lose ground fast. The right approach is in the middle. Temporarily reduce the activities that spike your pain. Keep everything else moving. A good rule of thumb is if your pain is 3 or 4 out of 10 or less, and it is not worse in the next morning, you're in the safe training window. Pain should be a guide, not a stop sign, and not something you should ignore. Now, if you've been dealing with this for a while, or the 3 fixes I just described are not moving the needle the way you need them to, there are more advanced conservative options that can accelerate the process. In my office, I regularly use active release techniques to address the soft tissue restrictions that are pulling on the knee from the quad, the IT band, the hamstrings, and the calf. Graston technique is a form of instrument-assisted soft tissue work that breaks down adhesions, gets the blood flowing moving back into the chronic tissue. Another common treatment we use is shockwave therapy, especially effective for tendon-related knee pain that has not responded to other treatment. Class 4 laser for reducing inflammation and accelerating tissue healing. These are not magic alone. They work best when combined with strength work and load management we just talked about. But when we put them all together, this is where people get their lives back. If you're in the Burke, Springfield, or Fairfax area, and your knee pain is keeping you from living the way you want to live, come see us at Nova Chiropractic and Acupuncture. We will sit down, figure out exactly what is driving your pain, and build you a real plan, not just something to manage it. A plan to build your knee back up so you can handle life. You can schedule online, the link is in the description below. Or call my office at 703-912-7822. And if you found this helpful, I'd ask one favor. Share this episode with someone you knew who is dealing with knee pain. They may not know there is a better option out there. I'm Dr. Todd Sullivan. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next episode of Pain Free After 40.